Hello everyone. So I just want to do a real quick overview of these LED headlights. This company called AUTLEAD sent me them to review. They're about $35 to $45. I think it depends on the make or model that it works with. And, so I replaced one of them. This is why you can only see one here in the box. Now this is their original headlight, or the headlight that was in my 2014 Nissan Armada. It's a Philips HD4 9006 model. I want to show you exactly kind of how they look side by side. And I've never used LED headlights. Actually, the first thing that surprised me is that they have a fan. I guess this makes sense, as LEDs tend to get pretty hot, but like I said, I've never used one of these, but it does have a fan. Another thing I did notice is I like how it has a longer power cord. It just always makes things easier. Now, installation as in, it really depends on your car. For me, it was like about 2 minutes. They're working fine. So what I'm going to do is show you how they look side by side, then I'm going to install both of them. I'm going to drive around for a couple days and just see how they work, and then I'll kind of update after that. But right now I'm just going to show you how they look, first impressions, how they look side by side. Now overall, I mean the product looks good, it looks solid. I kind of looked up the difference between LED headlights and HID headlights. It seems there's a little bit of debate on which one is better. And some people actually think that maybe they're not the best. I mean, in many ways they kind of look better. I mean, they're kind of different. They make your car stand out, so I'm not sure if that matters to you. But they sent me these, and I may as well use them, because you know, if they burn out or anything, I still have the backups, and I'll try it out. So let me show you how it looks like at the moment. All right, so you can see it's actually slightly raining outside. So it has that traditional white look that you expect from LED headlights. Here's my original one. I'm going to go ahead and replace the second one and see how they go. Alright, so I've now installed both. Let's say they look pretty good. Now it'll be time for a bit of a road test. So after driving around with the LED lights for about 2 weeks, I think I can finally review them. Now, I think I agree with the opinions that I read online about people just reviewing various LED lights, and that they don't really improve your visibility of the road that much. So the difference isn't that great at all. But that's not really why I actually really like them. Now, one other issue is that the light they produce, I'm not sure if this is just this version or in general, but it's not 100% even. So if you're watching some of these videos of me driving, it's kind of hard to tell, but unlike a traditional light bulb, which produces a very even display of light, the LED light bulb kind of, it just doesn't look even. It's not like you turn on a classic light bulb and the ground lights up in a perfect circle, going from brightest to dimmest on the outside. It's kind of, it looks a little odd. And honestly, at first I thought this might bother me, but it really doesn't bother me at all. And so I guess the main conclusion of trying these LED lights out for 2 weeks is really that I really, really like them. And this is a simple reason. It's not that I can see better when driving. It's really that people can see me much, much better. And I'm one of those people, you know, there's people who don't turn on their lights during the day. I always turn on my lights because the chances of getting in an accident usually revolve around someone hitting you or someone not seeing you. So if I can even just reduce 1/1000% chance that someone will pull out onto the road, not see me because they're being blinded by sunlight or anything, because I have these lights, I think that's a win. And there's one thing these LED lights really do that's incredible, is that they make you very, very, very visible. Of like, it doesn't matter how bright it is outside, it doesn't matter how dark it is outside, how much sun is in your eye. Literally, you will be able to just, your car like glows like a star. And I think this really is the reason why these LED lights are truly amazing. They just completely increase your visibility on the road of people seeing you. They do totally fine with illuminating the road so you can see the road yourself. I really didn't, like I said, I didn't really see, I mean, they're bright. You can clearly see well, but I didn't see such an improvement that really made me wow. But the LED light's ability to make your car kind of glow, and for maybe new poor drivers, people with poor visibility, to be able to see your car is really just awesome. And I highly recommend it, and I think everyone should have these. It just, people will see you 10 times better. And you know, you're less likely to get in an accident. And that's it. I just really like them. They make me completely visible on the road. And I think that makes a huge difference in driving safety.